Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and on this guide I'm going to show you, on this short guide, I'm going to show you how to create a new editor or user in order to be able to edit and create or delete new posts, pages, or any post type you have on WordPress, but without touching the plugins or themes. Okay, so first of all, in order to be able to create an editor user on your WordPress site, you have to log into your user admin on WordPress. And then on the dashboard right here on the menu, you see below users, you have the option to add a new user. Just click on that, and as you can see right here, you're only required to fill up the fields for username, email, and password. Now let's put here a username and also put an email that I have different email from the user admin, and also choose the password, a random password. I don't have to fill up those fields like first name, last name, or website. I do have the option to fill and choose the language of the interface that he sees on the dashboard, but not on the website itself, because it's not the website language, it's only the user's language. It will not influence the website itself. And of course I can choose to send the user a notification so it can log in from the email, and just choose the role for editor. Now add a new user, right here, click on that, and let's log in with the new user credentials. I log out and log in with the new user credentials. And as you can see right here on the editor user, I don't have all the options that I have like an admin account. Now I cannot add a new plugin or edit the code, the themes, and so on. I can only edit posts, pages, or Google Stories that I have right here, also Elementor templates. But I cannot edit the code itself. I can edit designs, of course, but not the code itself. So just if I want to create new users, I cannot do it from the editor account, but only from the admin user itself. And this is how you do it. As you saw, it's very easy to create a new editor user in your WordPress site. If you have any more questions, you can write down on the comments below and we'll comment. And on the first comment, I put the link to my website. And if you like this video, you can like, subscribe, comment, and share, and good luck.